Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to pin comments on Instagram. So as we all know, pinning comments was available for a very long time on other platforms like YouTube or any other platforms. But on Instagram it wasn't available until very recently. But now we can pin comments to show up at the top of the comment list. So to do that, you have to do this way on Android, but I will tell you how to do it on iOS as well. So on Android, you just tap on a comment and hold, and then the settings menu will appear at the top of your screen, and you can just pin the comment, pin comment. And that's it. Now the comment is on the top of the list. If you use iPhone, you can do the same thing by swiping to the right on one of the comments, and the same menu will appear and you can do the same. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one. Bye.